Signing up for TicTok. Hey there, everyone. We have designed this training as a step-by-step guide to TikTok marketing. So we'll kickstart it off from the very beginning, joining the TikTok network and using the app for the first time. And because TikTok is a brand new platform, it is important that you learn how to familiarize with it from scratch. Are you ready? Yes? Awesome. Then let's get started. Downloading TikTok. TikTok is primarily a mobile app, much like Instagram. So you have to start by pulling out your smartphone or tablet and then opening the app store corresponding to your platform. TikTok is available for Android devices as well as iOS, and you can also download it from the Amazon App Store. Okay, let's continue. Start on the App Store and search for TikTok. Now locate the TikTok app in the results. Tap on the result in the list, and then tap on the Install button on the next page. Using TikTok after installation. Unlike most apps, TikTok allows you to search, browse, and discover content on the platform without actually signing up first. So let's take a quick look at it. Start by opening the app. When you open TikTok, you'll be immediately shown the video feed. You can swipe up to tune into another video, and so on. You can tap on the profile icon on the right to see who uploaded the picture, and back on the video feed you can like, comment, or share the video. But you can't use these features until you sign up as a TikTok user. You can also tap on the Discover icon to watch the hottest videos and find trending hashtags. Signing up for TikTok. Once you are ready to become a TikTok user, tap on the Me icon in the bottom of the screen. You will be prompted to sign up with a phone number, an email address, or with a profile from another platform such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter. For this example, we'll show you how to sign up with an email address. Tap on the Sign Up with Phone or Email button. Next, select your birthday, using the Date Selection function on this page, and then tap on the Continue icon. On the following page, tap on the Email icon. Next, enter your email address in the Email Address field and tap on the Continue icon. Now enter your new account's password into the Password field and tap on the Confirmation icon. Lastly, you have to do a verification to let the app know that you are not a bot. Simply drag the slider to fit the on-screen puzzle piece in place and wait for the verification confirmation message. And that's it! You are now a TikTok user, and you can fully interact and engage with content and other users in the platform. You can tap on the Me icon to go to your profile page. And as you can see here, there's still a lot to do, including becoming a pro member and branding your profile. But we'll take care of that in a couple of upcoming lessons. But get ready, because in the following lesson, we'll be giving you a full walkthrough of the TikTok app and its features.